What should I know about drugged driving in Ohio? I'm Shawn Dominy. I'm a DUI lawyer with the Dominy Law Firm in Columbus, Ohio, and this video is going to answer that question. When people think about drunk driving or DUI, what we call in Ohio OVI, they typically think about operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol, but it's also illegal to operate a vehicle under the influence of drugs. That particular type of OVI charge is called the impaired charge because under the influence is taken to mean you consumed some drug and it affected you in a way that it impaired your ability to operate a vehicle. That's why it's called the impaired charge. Another type of charge for drug driving is called the per se charge. Per se means by itself, so it's by itself illegal. And so when it comes to this charge, what that means is if you consume drugs and the level of those drugs in your blood or urine is over the prohibited amount, then it is per se illegal, even if it's not affecting your ability to drive. One question I often get about these types of cases is, what kind of evidence is introduced for drug driving cases? And it usually starts with the officer's observations at the scene. The officer will then administer field sobriety tests. After the arrest, officers sometimes administer what's called a drug recognition evaluation. And then the other common piece of evidence is a chemical test of either a sample of blood or urine. Another common question is, what are the penalties for operating a vehicle under the influence of drugs? And the answer is they're the same as OVI for alcohol. So for example, a first offense, you can get a driver's license suspension of up to 3 years, you can get up to 6 months in jail, a fine of up to $1,075, and up to 5 years of probation. And then each subsequent offense within 10 years, the penalties increase. One thing you should know is, for charges involving drugs and operating a vehicle, there are defenses. So these cases are complex, but they're not hopeless, and attorneys who understand the complexities can help you. Here at the Dominy Law Firm, we do understand those complexities, so if you'd like to talk to us about your drug driving case in Central Ohio, there are a couple of ways you can arrange a free phone consultation. One way is to call the number on the screen, and the other way is to submit a contact form on our website. We welcome your call or your contact form, and we hope this information has been helpful.